it's Gina with WTI, and if you're a plant mom like I am, then you want to make sure that your little babies are getting as much light inside your house as they need to grow and thrive. When I saw that mine were not keeping the color that they should and just not growing like they should, I got a 3-pack of these grow lights from SANSI Lighting. I'm so happy, first of all, that I've seen my plants perk up and put out new leaves, but besides that, I love that these have a timer on them. So if you're like me and you're away from the house and maybe forget to turn them on, this has a timer that you can set for either 3, 6, or 12 hours. So you set it, it will run for the time limit, turn off, and then the next day at the same time, it will turn on again and run for the amount of time that you set it for. This is so amazing because then I don't have to worry about it or think about it. These are full spectrum. Also, these are clippable. I love that because I can clip them all over, either on the pot or like you see here, I even clip them onto my curtain or my blind, and it has worked out perfectly for my plants. So if you want the best looking plants in your home, get a set of these grow lights. You're gonna love them as much as I have, and that's my point of view.